Welcome to this episode of Hardscape Hustle. This project is on Gibbs Road in Manlius, New York, and we're showcasing this whole house. Let's tell you what we got going on. First thing we're going to do is we've got to put in a walkway in the front of this house. Now when we came to this project, the landscaping was overgrown, so the first thing we did on day one is we ripped out all the landscaping. We're going to totally replace all the landscaping. So in the front walkway is going to come off a brand new blacktop driveway. That's going to start here around this corner. And then we're going to work our way to the front of the house. We're going to have a couple turns in the sidewalk, and due to elevations we're going to dress them with some field boulders on the outside of the sidewalk. The sidewalk is going to naturally flow down the front of this house till we get to the front porch. We're going to put in a bunch of new shrubs, deciduous shrubs here, an ornamental tree at the corner. So we'll do some boxwoods here, some perennials, maybe some black-eyed Susan, something to give this house some really nice color before fall. We're going to have two ways to get on the porch. We're going to have a walkway that comes off the main walkway with one step here onto this front porch. This concrete porch has been here for a while and it still looks good as new. We're going to make it look better and do an overlay right over top of this concrete porch. So the sidewalk moves around the front here to the center of the porch. Now once we get to the center of the porch, we're going to build a new set of stone steps right in the center of this porch. And in front of those steps, we're going to have a good circle, a hardscape circle in front. We've got landscaping on both sides of the center steps here. Some more boxwoods, some more perennials. Once we get down to the other end of this porch here, we're also going to have another ornamental tree. So there used to be some old wood steps here along with the old railings. Those are now long gone. We got Shute's Rent Me Dumpster Service to take those away for us. We're going to build some new block stairs here out of stone that's going to come off nice from this sidewalk. They're going to be nice and wide, about 6 foot between these posts, to have a nice opening, inviting front door along with our overlay on the porch. Alright, so once we get to the porch, which is one of the last finishing touches of this home, as I said earlier, we're going to finish trim it with some larch. When this home was built, it was a manufactured home. It's not that old, probably 10 to 15 years old. The carpenters never finished trimmed out the backside of the header beam on the front porch. As you can see, it's just exposed LVLs. We're going to trim that out with some larch to match the posts in the front so that this porch looks finished and complete.